Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelin bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. About 800 students from the schools of the Salesians of Don Bosco and the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians took part in the Solemn Mass in honor of Pope Francis on 26 June in the Basilica of Mary Help of Christians in Lima. The Mass was celebrated by Archbishop Paulo Rocco Gualtieri, Apostolic Nuncio in Peru. It was a tribute that the Salesians of Santa Rosa Province, Peru, rendered to the Supreme Pontiff as a symbol of love, respect and gratitude for his important work. Before starting the celebration, Father Juan Pablo Alcas, Provincial of Peru, took the floor to thank you, Nuncio, for his presence. We have gathered to celebrate the feast of the Pope with you, the feast of the Church. He then thanked the sisters, the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, and above all, the young students from Salesian schools. Whatever the Pope wishes is a command for Don Bosco, was what Don Bosco said to express his love and respect for the Church and the Pope, stressed Father Alcas. For his part, Archbishop Gualtieri said he was happy to celebrate and participate in this emotional moment, and addressing the young people especially, he reminded them that God is present through his Son, Jesus Christ. On Sunday, 25th June, at the Basilica of St. John Bosco in the Tuscolano district of Rome, 8 young Salesians from the Blessed Zeffirino Namancura theological community were ordained deacons by Bishop Alberto Lorenzelli, SDB, Auxiliary Bishop of Santiago de Chile. They were joined by a large community of faithful, both from the popular parish, which is one of the largest in the Diocese of Rome, and by Salesians, young people and friends from the communities, where the ordinands carry out their educative and pastoral service as part of their formation journey. Also present were Salesians and young people from the Pontifical Salesian University, UPS, where the deacons completed their studies with a baccalaureate in theology. On Thursday, 22nd June, a gala evening was held for the 8th edition of the BBK DEIA Sariak Awards that recognize the work of organizations and associations of the third sector in Biscay, a province of the autonomous community of the Basque Country, northern Spain. Among the winners was the Bosco Taldea Federation of Youth Centers belonging to the Spanish St. James the Greater Province SSM. The award was presented by the Mayor of Bilbao, Juan Maria Aburto, to 4 leaders representing some of the centers that are part of the Federation. The host of the gala was magician Tamago Tor, who recalled that St. John Bosco is the patron saint of magicians. Ivan Ramos, president of the Bosco Taldea Federation of Youth Centers, said that magic is present in the Federation's youth centers when the best is achieved by the young recipients through oratory activities. The award was greeted with great joy by all the members of the Federation, and Laura Alcantara and Jose Angel Romo, technicians at Bosco Taldea, explained to the press how the Federation, which is celebrating 25 years this year, has been going. Finally, Ivan Ramos congratulated all the people who are and have been part of the Federation over these 25 years for the journey of the Bosco Taldea Federation of Youth Centers to this point. The Don Bosco Muhazi Vocational Training Center celebrated the Day of the African Child on 23rd June with various activities, a parade, traditional dances, a football match in which the Institute's students also participated, a meeting and a Eucharistic celebration. The day focused on the rights of the African child in the digital environment, which provided an excellent opportunity to discuss children's rights in the age of technology and to highlight the role of partners in the fight for equality and children's rights. The headmaster of Don Bosco Mohas, Father Raymond Buvamira Give, addressing the young people, assured them that in cooperation with other partners within the framework of the Gender Matters for Green Tibet and ACTC projects, everything possible will be done to ensure that in the near future young people will be able to receive technological infrastructure and that the school will be able to guarantee equal access to programs among young people. The regional European meeting of the past pupils of Don Bosco was held at the Salesian Mother House at Valdoco, Turin from 22nd to 25th June 2023 in the presence of the World President of the Past Pupils Confederation, Brian Magro. The meeting was organized by the Regional Councillor for Europe and the Middle East, Valerio Martorana, and Alessandro Pensebene, responsible for young past pupils, also involving Father Juan Luis Playa, Central Delegate of the Rector Major for the Salesian Family Secretariat, and Father Romand Zakimovis, General Councillor for North and Central Europe. President Magro made official the dates for convening the Extraordinary World Assembly to be held in Turin from 3rd to 6 October 2024 on the theme, Let's Walk Together, Change to Continue. All national federations will have time to discuss and present amendments to modify the statutes of the Confederation. Discussion has already begun at the European level, and it will be necessary to understand what to change and what to continue in order to maintain the activities that each federation carries out. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.